Okay, so I'm going to show y'all guys how I make some of these blueberry little snacks. They have all there. And they're so delicious. Okay, so first thing we're gonna need is a Ziploc bag.
What do you mean by that? Another one drew the same symbol drawing the death note before
Vanilla ice cream, blueberries.
Three did exactly what
This
I
is
intended.
only 3 ingredients.
For the other three inmates,
And it's
purposes and conditions are virtually
and you're
impossible.
gonna need some milk.
The first one wrote that he
But you're also gonna need a little smashing thing. Not everybody has them. Not everybody.
Paris, France in only 1 hour. Since this couldn't happen, he simply died of a heart attack.
I use them for specific
Next was
things.
supposed to draw an
Like
exact
this is
picture of Mel's
a
face on the prison wall.
what's it called?
You can't draw someone
Potato mashers. You know the things you mash your potatoes with. Okay, so we use that differently.
I specified that he
I also
I know that L is suspicious of the Japanese police. To be honest, I actually expected this one to work, but it didn't end up happening.
we're also going to need
Possible
a
they
cup.
already know.
You want to put about right
It
here.
has to be the kind of thing that they could come up with on their own. Basically, even the death note is possible. But as long as it's within the realistic limits of what that person might do, I can control them as much as I want. That's it. Let's all see each other. These reasons, no doubt deep down in the basis, even as we speak, he's probably trying to
It
decipher
kind of dies in here.
especially that
But
one note.
I'm
Cuba used those criminals to conduct an experiment.
That's perfect. You want to get your cup and you want to open that Ziploc bag.
Questions of the FBI will notice someone acting suspiciously. Perhaps he has a different goal in mind altogether.
Perfect. Go ahead and pour in the Savion.
Alright, time for the real thing. Real thing.
But all that air
They said this drug addict tried to rob a bank but was unsuccessful. He attacked a few people and then ran away empty-handed. Easy.
perfect.
It's kind of like I'm sure I can find someone. Hey, people. For what? We'll see.
Give it a cool mash. Caitlin. Like that. Perfect. Go ahead, let those all go down there. And then open it up. Make sure it says seal because it will end up jumping over, falling over and letting all the milk out. You want to use the same cup and fill it about, let me show you guys, right there with milk. And then pour that in. To me, I'm probably going to use a little bit more. Probably another halfway there. If that's enough.
He's still following me. Perfect.
You don't need that.
Think it'd just be a waste of time.
And it should look like boba on the side of what it does. And then you want to, again, let all that air out.
A date? Yeah. It's a date no matter how you look at it. I'm sure even my stalker will see it now.
A little massages, a little, and it turns it purple, which is really cute. I mean, a little,
You see what I wrote in the death note?
what's it called? It starts with a V.
Doing that would take all the fun out of it.
Gives it a little
Just be patient.
violet color there, yeah.
Sorry.
Oh yeah, and you're also gonna use, it's one thing I forgot. Okay, open it. Be really careful. Gosh, babe.
Goes to school, cram school.
Open that up.
Dates on his day off.
Get your spoon.
Hardworking senior in high school. Chief Yagami's son. Like, no cause for suspicion.
I guess we were gonna put extra.
I'll be done with my surveillance today. And that'll be it.
That was before I scored '1 in the national practice.
And then
Oh, you're such a nerd.
you will see the little white, the ice cream, and you want to go ahead and start mixing.
It's here. It's here. 7 passengers excluding him. That's the way. Everything should look smooth.
You want to try squeezing some
makes you want to die.
thing,
A bus jacking?
and you just
Everybody
push
shut
down
up!
really hard.
If anybody moves, I'm putting a bullet in their head. All right, driver. You listen to me. I know you got the number for Space Land's office on you. Call
And
them.
push.
Okay. This is Sasaki calling from bus 174.
Tell them what's going on and no tricks either.
My bus has been hijacked. And he's been canceled my dad.
You heard what he said. Now you listen up. Have a female staff member bring all the Space Land's
Yeah,
facts
also
from
gonna
yesterday. I
a
know
little
it's
more.
there. Have a meet us at 2 bus stops for the car. And
But we're gonna do it a little
You mess with me at all. We'll try
than
to
we
get the
would
police
usually do
involved.
it. We're
I
gonna
swear
mix
I'll kill
everything
every
inside
one
of the
these
cup
passengers.
and then put it into the bag. One sec. Austin, you want one of those frosty things?
Don't be scared. As
Does that
soon as he
make
turns
sense?
around, I'm going to
Yeah,
grab
the
the
little
gun out of his hand.
frosties, you open them
Don't be
with the
stupid.
end and
That's risky.
like
If
squeeze
it
them
comes
out.
out,
They're so
I'll take
delicious. Blueberries? No.
It's okay.
Not as a
You don't
snack.
have to pass notes back and forth.
Sure.
Sometimes we keep it down.
Yeah, sure. Okay,
This is
so
the other
there's
side
no
of
more
the
ask
engine.
them after that.
Do you have any proof that you're not his accomplice? Why should we trust you? Yes, I've read about this before. The first hijacker comes in like he's working alone. Meanwhile, the second one pretends to be a hostage and stays in the very back just in case something goes wrong. What's the matter?
You really think he is one?
I have no choice. I'm sure Light Yagami isn't Kira. If he was, he could just kill his head with a heart attack. Here's my proof. Take a look.
FBI? I see. Hell needed an outsider, so we got the FBI to investigate anyone connected to the Japanese police. His name is Frank Pinberg. Trust you. And I guess for the time being, I won't bother asking what an FBI agent is doing on the bus in the first place. Do you have a gun?
Yeah.
So, 2 people got them, so
Yes. Shut the hell up, you old hag! You want me to shoot you
that's
right now?
great.
That's right. This guy. His face was all over the local news just a few days ago. Some junkie tried to rob a bank and I killed 3 people before he got away. He's extremely dangerous.
We're safe. He won't shoot us. In fact, he's not
Okay,
gonna
guys,
do
so
anything.
go ahead and open the bag.
Don't move, you little punk!
Oh, I forgot to put them in the
What the
blueberries.
hell is that?
Ah,
Smartass!
it's fine.
Dude, for planets on the back of your mind. Damn it.
We will use them as we
Before,
cook.
we find that the light planet Japanese is gun world. Plans for a date? Stupid kid.
One more? Okay.
Who the hell are you? You in the very back. What do you think you're doing? Don't mess with me! How long have you been hiding back there?
What's this? You're talking to me. So you mean you can actually see me right
Woo.
now?
Stay there, you! You! Keep away from me, you freak! This isn't good. He's hallucinating. Everyone, get down!
Oh, I get it.
Okay.
Little note, like accidental.
We're gonna go ahead
was actually torn from
and
the
pour it
pages
in.
of the death notes. Since he tricked this guy into touching the paper, he's the only other one on the bus who can see me. That's so smart. Get away!
Sorry, there it goes.
I'm a Shinigami, so I'm afraid your bullets aren't gonna kill me.
This one had extra blueberries, a lot of extra. So we're gonna go ahead and put some more on them.
Anyone who touches the Death Note can see me. I have to stay till the Death Note is finished, or I'll see you die, whichever comes first. And a Shinigami can't die from being shot.
So
I've said all these things at one time or another. Webby is the top-ranked student in the country. Guess I shouldn't be surprised. He even used this hijacking as a way to get the guy following him to really give up his name.
okay, we need to clean up this mess. Ooh, cow. Okay, we're gonna make one more from these that does not use
Accidental death.
ice cream because we already know more ice cream.
Spaceland-bound bus near the eastern entrance to the
But
park,
yeah,
holding a loaded gun and attempts
so
to hijack the bus.
one more.
Sees
got
the
two
wicked
right
fat
here,
and
we'll do
empties
one
his
more.
gun trying to kill
Okay.
him. Terrified, he flees the bus. Immediately afterwards, at 11:45, he dies when struck by a car.
Let's pour the milk in first, actually. Like I said, right there.
Never fades. You will be
Let's get more
next.
milk.
Ray Penber.
Okay. You Pepsi. No, because I just asked you if you wanted some of this, and you said no. So,
Crap, calories laden beer. I know
Investigation so the local police can't find him.
it. Right. 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 You don't feel time.
and we're done with. Let's make sure all of them are closed.
I don't
This is so
think
hard to do.
an FBI agent either. If my father ever found out, there's no doubt he'd
Uh-oh.
It's obvious that he doesn't suspect me. And as for the police, I'm sure they'll treat this as just another unfortunate accident.
I think that sounds good. This one as well. So, now we are going to put these, all three of them, into the freezer like this. And, wait 2 hours for all three of them. Put these in the freezer.
My boss was on that hijack. Some junkie brought the bag 2 days ago, and I guess he wanted to try taking on the bus today.
Okay, all three of them are in the freezer.
So you were already riding.
So let's go ahead and get started cleaning it up. So that way that's empty.
Freaked out, jumped off the bus and got hit by a car.
I forgot I had one.
Yeah.
We're just gonna.
Yeah.
Oh, cow.
I couldn't really stick around and see what happened to him.
You know, it's a little hard to believe that was all coincidence.
Okay, we're gonna freeze it like this. So because it's melted.
That's because you're investigating something, right? And now you're telling me that this criminal is most likely dead. Doesn't
Okay, now they're all freezing.
Look, Dawn, you
All of
probably
them.
know you used to be one of the best agents in the FBI, but now you're my fiance now. We talked about this. You're not an agent anymore, so just leave it alone. You wouldn't get involved with the Kita case, and you wouldn't do anything dangerous. That's what you promised when we decided you'd come with me so I could meet your parents in Japan. You do remember that, don't you?
You're running out of blueberries. Quick!
I should forget this. Anyway, once we have a few kids,
I mean,
you'll probably be so
yeah,
busy
gross.
you'll forget your
1 sec.
More importantly, tell me how I can convince your dad.
Go away.
He doesn't care me half as much as he does.
Oh, let me guess. You're about to write down the name of that agent, aren't you? Not yet. I'm gonna wait 1 week before writing his name. If he dies right after meeting me, I'll lose
Bye.
my attention.